There's a lot of people out there who have been waiting for 20, 30 years for a cure. And they're going to wait another 10, 20, 30 years for a cure because there will never be one pill that's going to fix this problem because it's too multifaceted. There's too much going on. If it was that easy, everyone would be doing it. And it's not that easy. It takes a multifaceted approach. Everyone's problems are different. Everyone's symptoms are different. And so you must take a holistic approach. We know that chronic fatigue syndrome affects your body. We know chronic fatigue syndrome affects your brain. And so we need to look at it holistically to make changes. And so I've seen this thousands of times. People who get better, they have a self-inward focus. They go, who can fix me in a 1-hour appointment that I go to once a month versus what can I do in my day, because I have 24 hours in my day that I can control and focus on that's going to help me either move forwards or not move forwards. And we're talking about sleep, we're talking about nutrition, we're talking about routine and structure, we're talking about mindset, we're talking about body, we're talking about restorative movement and reconditioning your body. We're talking about progress, we're talking about environment, we're talking about where you're putting yourself and what you're putting yourself in. There is so many factors here. And every single person who gets better, they have a self-inward focus versus an out-there focus of looking for someone else to fix them because they get to the point where they realize that's not possible. In fact, we just did a success story with one of our past members, Tara, and she spent $30,000 on treatments before she joined our program. And the difference was our program never ever says and never ever claims that we or the program fixes them. All we claim is that we help you help yourself get healthy and start living again. It's very different.